Yo guys, it's still your boy Sensible. Yeah, so this video I'm coming to teach you step by step on how to trade spots in any exchange, either Binance, OKX, Mexi, Huobi Global or whatever, Bybit or whatever exchange you want. Okay. Yeah, so the last time I tried to do the recording, I paused the thing, but I didn't know. I finished now. I realized that the thing did not work. But how you go do? I have to do again. So now you have to make a deposit in your account. Okay. Yeah, so you have to make a deposit in your account to reflect at the top here, as you can see. After you make a deposit, you click on wallet. When you click on wallet, go to spots. Make sure your USDT is on spot. Okay. Make sure your USDT is on spot. Okay. So as your USDT is already on spot, what you just do is to click on what? Trade over here. Okay. So now this is the token I want to trade, which is what? PROS. PROS. Okay. That's the token I want to trade. Okay. So now when you get the coin you want to trade and you click on it, first of all, okay, if you come here and you don't like this one, you can just click here to change what coin you want to trade on. Okay, you just click here and all the coins that you want to trade will be here. Okay, so you just click on it and then you go with it. Or if I give you any coin to buy, you just click here. When you click here, you come and search. You click on the search bar and search the coin that you wanted to buy. Okay. So but I want to trade with this PROS coin. Okay. So now we have buy, and then we have sell. We have limit, and then we have the price and others. Okay, so now we are buying, so our cursor must be on buy. Okay, yeah. So now what you just do, you click on the limit here. I only use limit and then markets. The rest I don't use them. It is not necessary for me. Okay. So now I want to buy on the current market price. So I'll just click on the market. Okay. I'll just click on the market. So when you check here, you can see that it has changed to market. The market simply means that at this, I wanted to buy at this same price. The current price right now. That's what I wanted to buy. Okay. But if I choose limit, that means okay, I want to set my own price targets. Okay. So let's say I want to buy at 3. When it dropped to 0.3, it should buy for me. That's what I will just do. So I'll just type the amount, then I go on. But I want to buy on the current market price. So I'm going to click on the limit and change it to market. So when you click on the market, how much are you buying? Okay, in USDT. Okay, how much are you buying? So for me, I'm going to buy $22. Okay, so I just type the 22 over here. Then I'll click on I'll click on buy. Okay, when I click on buy, this thing just pop up. Okay, so I'll just click on confirm. So as you can see, it has been created. Order has been created. So when I click on wallet and go there, you see that the PROS is there. So I'll just click here, and you can see that the PROS is here. The PROS I just buy $22. So when you see that, you can see that the value has reduced because they take some fees. So it is now 21.92. So now I'm going to set a target that I want to sell this coin and make profit. Okay, so now I'll just click on I'll come to the trade. Okay, by this time we are going to sell. Okay, we are selling by this time. So I'll click on on sell over there. So I'll just click on sell. I hope the thing is recording though. Yes. So now I'll just click on sell. When I click on the sell, I'll click on the market here and then change it to limit. I'll change it to limit. Okay. So now what price do I want to sell this coin? Okay, so now I will say when it comes to 0.0335, so I want to sell everything. Okay, so when this price goes to 0.35, that means what? The money I will get is this is the amount I will get when it's finally sold. Okay, because I use $22 to purchase this one. Okay, so meaning that I'm going to make what? $1.45 on this if the price reaches what? 0.35. Okay, so I'm just going to create the order over there. So when I click on sell, I'll just confirm. So now the order has been created, so it is here, as you can see. So either I'm online or I'm offline. If the price target here reach 0.35, it is going to sold automatically for me. Okay, it's going to sold automatically for me. So now let me check the trades I've done already. I've already do some trading. This is the current order. So when you go to trading history, you check. So these are the orders that I've done. Okay, and I make some cool profit. Okay, this account is only $50 I deposit, but I'm currently sitting on $54. So small like that, we are growing. Then you'll be compounding it small, and we are good to go, because we need high this in income, or high what's the name, high returns. That's why these people have been scamming us. This is just something simple everyone can do and make money out of it. If you have huge capital, you can be making, if you have, let's say you have like $1,000, at least you can be making $5 to $10 every single day doing the same thing. Because of greed, that's why some companies will come, I'll give you 2% every day, I'll give you 5% every day, and we keep falling for it. If you learn this thing very well, and then you keep building on it small, you are going to grow. Trust me. You don't need to set higher profit target. No, just make it small. Right now I'm the $20. If it hits that price, and it is going to be sold for me, I'll make 1 point something dollars. Okay, then I will wait for another coin deep, I'll buy. That's how we do it, small, then you compounding it like that. The next time when I'm going to do it, I'm going to buy 23. Okay, I'm going to buy the whole 23. I'm going to use the $23 to buy, and just be compounding it like that. Before you realize, you are growing small. So that's it. That's basically how to do your trading. Okay, so when this means, so the money will automatically come into the how do you call it, the USDT. Okay, yeah, so that's it. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.